everybody, it's Keith with Bob CNC. Welcome to Shop Talk. And as always, I'm with Robert Wood.
And I'm my best sixth grade friend.
Yeah, we
Sure.
just got doing some stuff that we shouldn't have done.
Yeah, probably.
Kristen gets really mad at us about stuff like that.
No, she doesn't. She's got kids.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
You checking on us?
Just you
want
do
me-
your thing, I'll do my thing.
Yeah. If this video comes out looking weird, you'll know that it wasn't us. It was Kristen working behind the scenes.
So is
Yeah.
Kristen.
Anyway, I want to clear up something. Maybe that's the wrong way to say it. I want to talk about vocabulary.
Ooh,
Well, not nothing heavy duty, except that
good.
Don't.
I thought it was going to be a spelling test at the end.
Ooh, do you want to do it?
Oh, I was getting all like
Yeah.
fancy, yeah.
There are 3 words you hear a lot, and not
Cat.
swear words.
No.
No. When maybe you're shopping for a CNC, I know I've read this a lot, read these words applied to like a wooden kit like
Okay.
ours,
Okay.
and they happen to be, number 1 would be accuracy, and the second one would be precision,
Okay.
and the other one would be tolerance.
No, you just, okay. I'm
What?
ready. No, this is great stuff.
You like that?
This is like engineering class.
Oh, okay.
All right, let's go.
Well, here's
Professor Havens.
where it's going to be different.
Okay.
Because it'll make sense.
Oh, okay.
So anyway, my daughter and I went shooting a couple weeks ago.
Okay.
All right? No, she can't hit a no, she can't hit a moving target. But anyway,
You know, his daughter used to be a police officer.
yeah, she was.
She could hit a moving target.
Oh yeah,
She let you live.
She's
'cause
deadly.
She wants you to live.
Well, I'm going to talk about that in just a second.
All right.
Okay, but to get the concept of accuracy as it applies to CNCs and in engineering, accuracy simply means that you're hitting the target you're aiming at. That's it.
Okay.
Bullseye. All right? If you decide you don't want to hit the bullseye, but rather you're shooting for another, the outside ring, and you hit it, your machine's accurate. It has nothing to do with where you hit, as long as you hit where you're aiming.
Okay.
Correct?
Okay.
Okay, so that's accuracy.
Accuracy.
All right, now when you talk about precision, precision doesn't necessarily mean that you hit what you're aiming at. It doesn't mean that you're accurate. Precision means that you're consistent. Now, for those of you who would care, and there's nobody here in this room that would, my daughter's left eye dominant. I'm right eye dominant,
Okay.
which means she
Between
focuses
both of
when
you
she
together,
shoots
yeah.
through her left
Yeah.
eye. Okay, well, I didn't have a pistol at the time. We were shooting her gun, and her sights are set up for her left eye dominance.
Okay.
And so I'm noticing that when I start shooting, I aim, I fire, boom. Where'd that bullet go?
Maybe
Nothing
you're-
near the target. No.
I think it was you.
Yeah, it wasn't me. Because when I made the adjustment,
The
and
Kentucky
and-
windage.
yeah, kind of thing,
Yeah.
I had to aim to the left of the target, which is disconcerting because now I'm no longer shooting the target, but I'm shooting somewhere that I'm guessing is the right amount of distance from the target, and all of a sudden I started hitting really well, and she thought I could shoot well.
Okay.
Well, not only did I shoot well, but I mean it's amazing because I had to use a gun that wasn't sighted properly.
Huh.
It was
Okay.
sighted
For
fine.
you, probably. Yeah.
No.
So what you're saying is precision is your grouping.
Yeah, you're grouping.
Yeah.
So if you do the same thing the same way and you get the same results, you got precision.
Okay.
But precision isn't accuracy.
Okay.
And the last word is tolerance.
Tolerant.
And there's not a lot around here.
No. It's not.
Tolerance simply is the answer to the question of how accurate or how not accurate.
Not accurate.
Yeah. How
Much precision.
far? Well, not even. Yeah, there's that. That could be.
Precision.
Yeah,
Precision.
but I mean, how much of that are you going to tolerate?
Yeah.
Now, for example, our machines, when they're put together according to the manual, and you're using the speeds and feeds we recommend in our speeds and feeds calculator, we say that they are going to cut within 2 to 4 thousandths of an inch of your design. Correct?
Yeah,
That's the tolerance.
okay.
All right? So did I get that halfway close?
I think so. I mean, I mean, a lot of people look at it differently. I mean, believe it or not, this is in the engineering discussion somewhere in the engineering group. But yeah, so your accuracy is like, yeah, you're there. Your precision is how much you can, you can do it, repeat it
Yeah.
over and over again.
Yes.
And your tolerance is based on your precision, right? So yeah,
So how close do you have to be
Yeah.
to your design?
exactly.
Okay, now, when people fuss about a wood machine and we say it holds 2 to 4 thousandths of an inch, a human hair is
Oh,
8 thousandths of an inch.
okay,
8.
okay.
All right, now I've done some woodworking and I'm pretty sure I've got some joints that you could get a hair in.
Yeah.
All right, a piece of paper, I looked this up to verify. 20-pound bond paper used for copiers,
Okay,
4 thousandths of an inch.
okay.
Now, I'm just trying to think of what you're doing when you V-carve or when you're cutting something out on a CNC, a wood project, where you wouldn't be happy if your finished work wasn't within the thickness of a piece of paper.
Yeah, I agree with the wood project. 2 to 4 thousandths of an inch is plenty. As a matter of fact, if you'll watch another video that we'll do, we'll talk about wood and how come it's really hard to hold those type of tolerances, whereas if your metal materials, your homogeneous materials, what they
Yeah.
call it, that are solid all the way through, it's a lot easier to hold those tolerances. So
And also that, there are projects that you're going to do with metals that require those tolerances.
yeah, if you're working for NASA.
Yeah.
Or even, if you're building a transmission or an engine, you will have tolerances in the microns, bearing fits, they're a lot tighter. For wood, you don't have that, or actually you don't need that because wood expands and contracts fairly easily.
Yes.
So yeah,
Yeah.
okay,
So anyway, I just, every time I read that, it can't hold tolerances or it's not precise, it
Yeah.
just happened to drive me nuts, so I just wanted to rant.
okay.
So I'm done ranting.
Well, that's a good rant, I guess.
Okay. Was I accurate?
You were precise. And you're tolerable.
Thank you. Well, anyway, guys, till next time, we'll see you.